So, Yamina, here's another question that we got from our viewer who's asking, what should someone include in an explanation letter when applying for a visitor record if their work permit is expiring in July and they only plan to stay until the end of the month?
This is another one of those situations in which I'm reminded that law is an art and not a science. So, the most important thing when submitting a visitor record is to explain why the person needs to remain in Canada for that amount of time. So, for example, is a friend's wedding coming up and they really need to attend the wedding? Are they receiving medical treatment that is only available in Canada? Is one of their loved ones in the hospital and they need to stay with that loved one? Or, for example, is their graduation coming up and they really want to stay until the end of July for the graduation? So, whatever is the reason that they need to stay until the end of July, they need to provide evidence of that. And the second thing that they need to demonstrate is that they can stay here without earning any money. Obviously, when somebody is on a visitor record, they cannot work. So they should show they have sufficient funds, whether it is through showing a GIC, bank statements, or a letter from the person who will be sponsoring their stay. But these are the two important features of a visitor record that somebody should not skip is the reason for the visitor extension in Canada and also proof that they have money to stay here without working illegally.
That's right. And these pointers are very important. So, thank you so much, Amina, for putting up all these points in a very simple way. And, friends, the best part is you can also get in touch with attorney Yameena Ansari. Just have to visit this link and go ahead, ask any question or any query you have regarding your Canada immigration journey.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMMI Support.